Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to add multiple accounts in Pinterest application on Android device. Well, adding multiple accounts allows you to easily switch between your personal account, where you save content for yourself, and your professional or other account, where you save content related to your work or others. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open Pinterest application on your device. Okay, next you can click profile icon at the bottom right corner. Okay, so here, tap on settings icon, and then look for add account option. Okay, and then tap on it. Okay, in this page, will be there 3 options. You can create free business account, basic account, and connect to your existing account. Okay, select this one, and enter your email address. And then create a password. So enter your full name. And then set your birth date. And then click next. Okay, next you can enter your gender identity, add your country, and lastly, you can add interest up to 5 choose. Okay, when all steps are done, now you are already created a multiple account. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to add multiple account in Pinterest application on Android device. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.